if the floor of your dry van trailer has significant damage. If there are through holes, daylight gaps, or broken boards, Key Epoxy Crack Filler is a proven remedy for a complete, permanent repair. Easy to apply and incredibly tough. Key Epoxy Crack Filler is reinforced with Kevlar. It can be used standalone or when preparing used trailer floors for complete restoration. Crack Filler is the ideal repair for delaminations that show daylight and admit water from underspray. It also keeps residual washout water from pooling and causing rot in damaged spots. When heavily damaged floors need to be sectioned, Key Epoxy Crack Filler will form a permanent bond between the old and new boards. Gary Devines, group leader at Swift Transportation's Lewis facility in Phoenix, oversees an ongoing refurbishment program, bringing 125 trailers a month back to new condition. Key Crack Filler figures in many of these repairs.
When the trailer comes in and you have a hole within the board and you have to pull that out and put another piece in, we call it sectioning, and we section out that piece of floor, and we'll typically go about a minimum of 3 cross members, and we will put the new piece in, fasten it, and then use the crack filler, seal around it, and then we'll go ahead and do the whole trailer floor as a key floor store. It saves the floor and it seals the floor.
Key Crack Filler and Key Floor Restore have enabled the permanent repair of thousands of trailers at 1/10 of the cost of floor replacement. Key Polymer's line of transportation products are available nationwide at trailer dealerships and parts suppliers. More information and complete instructions are available on this website. To locate your nearest dealer, or if you have questions, please call 978-683-9411 or email us at sales@keypolymer.com. For complete details on all Key Polymer products, visit keytransportationproducts.com. Key Polymer Crack Filler, the smart, economical way to repair and extend the life of your dry van trailer investment.